Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of getting calls from unknown numbers, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to block unknown numbers on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner or the down right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for an option that says Block Numbers or Call Blocking. This might vary slightly depending on your Android version or device manufacturer. Once you're in the block settings, block number section, you'll see an option to add a number. Add a number. This might vary slightly depending on your device. If you see block calls for unidentified callers, simply toggle it on. If your phone doesn't have this option, you can manually add unknown numbers to your block list. Tap on Add Your Number manually. And here you can enter the number you want to block. If you're looking to block all unknown numbers, enter private or unknown if your phone supports it. Otherwise, you might need to use third-party apps for more advanced call blocking. And that's it. Now you know how to block unknown numbers on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.